shiny dream. We nurture sunshine, embrace the wind. We have the scientific zeal and power to enthrall the whole horizon. We want the whole horizon. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha.
And you about today's special recipe. First, today is one
मुश्किल हमसे हारी आसमां को छूए रखते हैं तैयारी. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha.
on 11 July every year. Presented by growing global population. This year's theme is empowering the young to create their families, emphasizes the importance of young choices regarding their families and reproductive health, especially as the world population is 8.2 billion. There are many effects of increasing population, such as environmental degradation and increase.
World Population Day celebrated on 11th July every year. This day was established by United Nations in the year 1989 to raise awareness about global population and their issues.